everybody, and welcome to iHeart Canine PR. With me is Makayla, and we're going to show you something that we've been doing using positive reinforcement as a pairing with sights. So, a little background on Makayla is that she is very into her passive stimulation of watching TV. Over the years, she's watched a lot of animal shows, and we have discussed different types of animals. So today I'm going to show you how she has actually been able to now recognize different kinds of animals. So I have a whole bunch of little pieces of paper here, and I'm going to show her and ask her if she can tell me which is what. And I hope that you guys can kind of see from there. We're going to start with cheetah and the lemur. Are you ready, princess? Can you show mommy the lemur? Good. Good girl. Good boy, Stan. Good job. Now, Da Vinci does not understand this as much as because we do not work with a lot of animal and passive enrichment for him. He's not into TV like she is, so let's try give her a harder one. Now, we're going to do the lemur and a binturong. Are you ready, princess? Mix them up so she doesn't know which is which. Ready? Can you show mommy the binturong? That's the binturong? Good. Good girl.